Airtable and Netlify. Actually, I would have completed it yesterday only, but there were some issues were coming, and after 2 hours of streaming, I was not able to figure out what was the issue. So I took a break, and things like this happens in a live stream. And as you know, this is a very big and very good app. So with this, let's get started. And I fixed those issues. They were very small issue, but after 2 hours, my brain was actually not working, so I was not able to do it. So let's get started. I think okay, why my a sec. I think my display is not working. Okay, so yeah, so I set it my display to high screen. So let me share my screen quickly and share my screen to yeah. So you're able to see my screen. So see, this was something which was done, and this is the completed app. Even I deployed it in Airtable, and this is all we are going to do. And like this, the delete functionality will also work, and the add functionality will also work. Okay, so like that it will work. So and whatever you do, you can do a purchase also. It will go to the purchase. So let's get started and let's create it. So we were left here. So what was the issue which I did yesterday? Show you. This spell mistake. This spell mistake was there. Submit. Okay, if I come here and show you, this is what I changed. Submit I have taken. SUMBIT I have taken, but whether it should be SUBMIT. So this was one of the mistake, and I figured out there was another mistake in the course list. It was not showing the courses because the purchase spelling also I did it wrong. It is purchase no problem because it is working here because I had deployed the same app. Okay, deployed the same app in Netlify to see whether it is working or not. Okay, so it will work actually, but then also let me, what should I do? Should I create a new one? Okay, not an issue. What we are going to do, we are going to work directly on the so whatever changes I did, you do those changes, and anyways you can do it as purchased, and then it will go to already purchased. So this is a list of the courses which someone wants to learn. Suppose you want to learn some courses, so you can put it in this. So this is a personal use. You can put in this app and to learn. And suppose you already purchased this. Suppose it is from a Udemy or something, and you have already purchased it, so you can move it down. Okay, I have already purchased it, and then you can delete it also. So you are learning the whole of the CRUD operations. So what we are going to do, what is left actually in the slash API slash not courses, it is courses and comma okay. It is giving me error because there is no catch block is there. Yeah, error. Okay. So see, now the error has gone, and here purchase, this time I will not do the mistake. Purchase spelling will be exactly correct, true, and after this I'll have this refresh courses will be called. So refresh courses is nothing but a callback which is coming from is or okay, and delete course, it will again be a sync method, but when I copy paste, sometimes something wrong always happen. API courses comma like this, method is delete, and body is JSON dot stringify id course dot id of or okay, so delete and id course dot id stringify id course dot id. Okay, I cannot check it here, but the thing is that what we are going to do, we are going to right now directly deploy in a GitHub, so you will get GitHub one also. So and then we are going to deploy in Netlify. Okay, but there is one thing is there very big API courses. So API courses is in 3 files. And what I have to do here, instead of this API, I have to give this functions. So first it is here. So I have to give this Netlify functions. Done. Second, it is here. Instead of this API, I have to give Netlify function. Here also I have to give Netlify functions. So this is according to them. And here is another place. Here also I have to give Netlify functions. Okay. So these things we have to do before sending it to GitHub and before deploying. Okay. So another thing which I public, you all will have access to my API keys. So I'll do this .env here. So in the .env, I'm not going to show .env today. Okay, so that is there. I have showed it in yesterday. So you can check it out. And now I have to actually push it to GitHub, but I think okay. So the thing is that I'll do it now. One thing is that this is my old git, something old git is there. So I will do one thing. Git in it. So I will go to my GitHub. Suddenly this new system is very slow because I have right now heard that Windows 11 see this man, because this is AMD Ryzen 5 laptop. I will soon post some reviews on it also. So it should be very fast. Okay, but I'm not finding it that much fast. See this, I'm just clicking in it, and this is my GitHub profile. Those who don't know, please, you can come here and have a lot of greens and all this, and this also Arctic Vault contributor also. You can learn what is Arctic Vault contributor.